So hey guys, again welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, today we are going to talk about the brand new smartphone which is launched today in India by Samsung called Samsung A16 5G. So today in this video guys, we are going to talk about this device. We will look at its features and specifications, and guys lastly I'll share my opinion whether this device is better than Moto G85, which is currently king, so better than Moto G85 or not. In last of this video we'll find out this. So guys, please be in this video till the last, and if not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button, press the bell notification icon, so that you people will get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get straight to the video. So let's start this video guys with the display first. So this Samsung A16 5G comes with 6.7 inches Full HD plus AMOLED display, and it's a 90 Hz panel, and it's a infinity U-shaped notch. So let me just move to the processor. So this handset comes with MediaTek Dimensity 6300 6nm based chipset, and which comes with Mali G57 GPU. So now in terms of guys RAM and ROM, we have 8GB RAM with 128GB storage and 256GB storage options. We have basically two variants. So now in terms of expandable storage, we can expand the storage up to 1.5 TB via microSD card. So that's a good thing. So in terms of OS, we have One UI 6.0 out of the box with based on Android 14. Now in terms of 5G support, we have dual SIM with 5G SAN support. All band support is there on this device. And in terms of guys camera department, we have triple rear setup. So first sensor is a 50 megapixel shooter which comes with aperture f1.8, with secondly 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and third sensor is 2 megapixel macro lens. And in terms of front, we have single 13 megapixel of front shooter with aperture f2.0. Now in terms of fingerprint scanner, we have side mounted fingerprint scanner. There is no in-display fingerprint scanner. And in terms of battery, we have 5000 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging support. So that is nice. And in terms of guys pricing, the starting price of this device is 18,999, which is 19,000 Indian rupees, and it goes up to 21,999. So that's all for the specs and pricing. Now guys, coming to some special features, we have got the 6 years of security updates promised by Samsung and 6 OS updates. So that's a really awesome thing by Samsung in this mid-range device. Now guys, coming to the conclusion, my opinion, guys, in last I want to say that specifications are not at all good at this price. Moto G85 offers far better specs, and we have edge display and in-display fingerprint scanner as well with better chipset. So I think this device is not standing anywhere in front of Moto G85. So I think you should move on with the Moto G85 instead of this device. So thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you.